Hello. So yeah, if you're watching this, there's a huge snowstorm just hit Cheyenne. And you probably would know that if you live in Cheyenne, which, as you can see, this is my grandma's backyard and that's her front porch. It's now just snow, snow, and more snow. Yeah. This isn't even the worst part. You see, if I just go inside the garage. Yeah, that's my grandpa's truck. They cleaned it off. This is my grandma's van. Yeah. Just chaos. Yeah, chaos. It's my grandma. Yeah, that's her van. You can see it in there. You can see it. It's very snowy. And people are getting stuck. My dad got stuck and his friend got stuck.
Understand a lot of it, but we're just doing what we can do here and
Okay.
make the best of it.
Yeah, this is the street. That was the alleyway. Yeah. Dad's stuck. Just all snowed in. It's chaos. Yeah, just show you that because we don't have school. I don't think we're gonna have school tomorrow either. Hi, Grandma. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have school tomorrow either because, yeah, look, as we were driving to my grandma's house, a bunch of cars were just covered in snow. It's like a little snow present wrapped in snow. This is the alleyway. It's my grandma's van. It's just very, 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 very compact everywhere. And yeah. So yeah. Like and subscribe. Comment something. No, don't comment it. Just, I don't know. I was playing in the snow earlier, and my dog was also playing in the snow with me, because it was all sorts of different stuff. Yeah, we were playing in the snow, hitting that huge hill. We were climbing all over that. My little doggy decided to go with me up the hill. Yeah, so comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.